Welcome to the Dog Penitentiary, my escape-proof dog pen. This is a follow-up video to the fence panel build I did a while back. If you haven't seen it, I recommend checking it out. I'll put a link in the description. So this is the dog pen that I built for my husky, who is a bit of an escape artist. This dog pen is 16 by 16, and I put it in a nice shady spot off to the side in my yard. So let's go check it out. As you can see, it has a doghouse in the middle. Very important to put it in the middle so he can't stand on top of it and jump out. The panels are only 4 feet high, so I decided to put some chicken wire around the perimeter of the top, angled in, to prevent him from climbing over. My yard is primarily bedrock, so I was unable to dig down and cement posts in a lot of locations. So what I ended up doing was attaching them together and back bracing them, which really seemed to work well. It's incredibly sturdy. The door hinges inwards, so when he pushes on it, there's no chance of it opening, and I put a stop block at the bottom to further prevent this. The perimeter of the fence is lined with blocks to discourage him from digging. If he does decide to dig, I've installed an underground fence to eliminate any chance of him actually getting out of the pen, which we're gonna cover in today's Bits of Wood Quick Tip. So that was a quick tour of my escape-proof dog pen. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.